Namaskar. Yemvis der shararat chu khasan. There is always one well-wisher who tells us, Talevai makar shararat. Legne karun. Ichun shuban. Niergas wathut chatresh kilas. So these are small things that we all are told. Magar at least agar bu panun wuchu. Mechun basan ki mechu tame vis tresh gilas chansit ya counting karna sit chas bu suddenly change gasa my own expression. Why? But at the same time, I have seen certain people. Yaman emsit chu farak pyavan. So there is a difference. So to understand कि no two people are same. प्रथ कٲنٛسہِ چھِ अलग पर्सनैलिटी आसान अस چھُ यہِ تہِ अंडरस्टैंड करُن प्रथ कٲنٛسہِ ہُنٛد एंगर एक्सप्रेशन تہِ چھُ डिफरेंट आसान सु چھُ बेस्ड आसान एम नफरन क्या چھُ लकचार वुचमुत अमिस क्या چھُ आमुत हेचनावनः लकचारस मज अबाउट एक्सप्रेशन of this emotion and expression be emis life emis kam experience cha asan em kya kod emas nichod tam se chu ye panun behavior youth banavan and the most important thing is ki kya cheez aavna lakcharas maz as hechnavna ki yel toy shararat chu khasan how to express it properly yel ne su as za hechnavna ya aschan pathai ki how to manage anger इसीलिए ये कांच वनान calm down, it doesn't work for me because my experiences of life are different than yours. So to really address such problems in life, gotta choose wuchun ki sharartas te ch panin types. Tat ma jo sari vi khod godnu kivan explosive style of anger, explosive style go ये नहीं कि यूथ प्रथ कथ पे आइस दिवान burst into an expression no ये नफर छु आसान एम छु आसान लकचार पे बर्दाश्त करान ये छु पीत लकट चीज में मिस इरिटेट छु करान ही इज नॉट हैप्पी अबाउट इट मगर ये करान छप कि वहीं कथ छु मैं बैल मसला बनाउन इट्स ओके वहीं गसन बैल पान वहीं इरिटेशन गछि या वहीं गसन बैल रिश्तों में प्रॉब्लम्स आएगी चाहे ऑफिस प्रोफेशनल या पर्सनल. So I should not say it. Like in couples, कि मैं छु नेम सुन ये छु थमा तौलिया छु थमा बेडस पेट. So I should not continuously keep on nagging him. Might as well I just pick it up and put it outside. You know, ये lakit चीज छसान. There comes a time you're bottling it up. You're swallowing it. This pain, which is really harmful to you. तो शु बासान कि ना you go subside. But actually what you're doing, you're putting it under the carpet. मगर you're bottling it up and you just burst. You burst in an expression explosive style of anger. ये क्या चीवान कैस क्या तो चु लकचार पे ठामुत वन कि था वहीं सब छुराब वहीं कच्ची चमानुन वहीं कच्ची च बैल मसल बनाउन मावन उसके ये कैस पाने ठीक. But does it really work? No. You're swallowing this pain. And you just let it out, but not in the proper way. So how to now atmaz aisute my hekan variya nafar atmaz relate karit ki mechu yuthu expression. I am like this. So deep inside, when you are able to relate to this style of anger, you know what you have to first thing to do beyond meditation, deep breathing. There is no getaway from meditation and deep breathing. The thing that such kind of a person can do, ye miss irritation ch gasan lakchan matlab cheez che miss irritate kara lakit magar ichun heka express karit time is yushpad vuhir phata. Such kind of person cannot change his behavior like this. Magar vain kya chute karun? You start writing this what you felt at that time. तो उसी यलते कंशु आसा WhatsApp करूँ. तो चु 10 मिनट चुते लागान क्या learn लेखन मज़ because you're paying attention कि खबर है मिस तारिया फिक्री ये नहीं क्या miscommunicate कैस. तिथे कंशु तो एक तात moment to expression बिहित लेखुन. येल तो लिखियो तो ही क्या feel करो तो ही क्या is going to be irritation. Now this pain is not in your heart and head. It is now dumped in a paper. So instead of going and just the mana ki bachu to guess you my badla your personality and you start confronting people, you can't do that. Suddenly you can't change your personality. But what you can help is you sit down and write about this, what you felt. I don't say you talk bad about the person, but what you felt, how sad you felt. Don't write the reasons ki he was hurtful towards me. Write what irritated you and how sad you felt. And over the period of time, this bottling up of emotions will not happen, because you are letting go these emotions and you will practice. It is difficult. It is very difficult to do this regular practice, but it is a must for the people who have explosive style of anger. So in the coming videos, is karo various other styles understand and come up with certain techniques to manage it or control it. Thank you so much. Namaskar.